Hi friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to print prime numbers using Steam API. See friends, already I have one list. So the list contains number of elements like 1 to 10 elements I am having. So you may take any numbers, just I am taking 1 to 10 numbers. So let me print list of elements friends. System.out.println list. So let me display here. So I'm getting. So see here, friends. So list contains 1 to 10 numbers. So I don't want all 1 to 10 numbers. Just I want only prime numbers. Say 2, 3, 5, 7 here. So how to get prime numbers? How to print prime numbers using Steam API? Let's see the logic, friends. Here. Just first I am getting listed out. I'm getting Steam API. So I mean, stream object I am getting here. After getting stream object, I am calling which method? Filter method I am getting, friends. So just I am writing, one lambda expression here. What is that? Say I arrow. So I have to test whether I is a prime number or not. So we don't have any predefined things, right? So that's why what I am doing, I am writing my own function here. I am writing my own method here. So is prime here. Is prime of I. Where is prime of I? I have to write. I have to write. So that's why see here, friends. Just I'm writing my own method. It is a private I am taking. Private, static. So this method will return whether it is true or false. It will return. If it is a prime number, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So E is prime of integer. X. You can take anything. So what will be happen? Prime number will take one integer number as a input, and it will check whether it is a prime number or not. If it is a prime number, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false here. What is the prime number logic, friends? What is the prime number definition here? If any number is having exactly two factors, what are those? One and itself, then it is a prime number. So that's why I am maintaining one counter variable. So integer count equal to 0. So what is the meaning of counter, means this count will have number of factors. Factors count it is having. So I'm going to take one for loop here. Here integer, say I equal to 1. Why I am taking I equal to 1? For any number factors starting from 1 onwards. That's why I am taking I equal to 1 here. What is the factors range, friend? 1 to the given number. So that's why I am taking I less than or equal to x. Okay, I plus plus. That's it, friends. After that, what I am doing, I am dividing. If I am dividing x with I. Okay, so I'm dividing x with I. If the remainder is, if you divide x with I, if you get remainder 0, then I is the factor of x. So I am counting, I'm incrementing the counter variable. So count plus plus I am doing. Likewise, what will be happen in between 1 to x, how many factors are there, it will count it. So finally what I am doing here, I am checking whether this count equal to 2 or not. I am checking. If count equal to 2, then that is a prime number. Otherwise, it's not a prime number. That's it, friends. So return count equal to 2. If count equal to, then this method will return true. If the count is not equal to 2, it will return false. That's it, friends. So coming here, friends. So here, what I am doing is coming back to our logic here. So dot, if filter method, what it will do, it will check whether I is a prime number or not. It will check. If it is a prime number, then what I am doing, I am collecting that result here. So collectors dot, already this collect method collected all the elements like 2, 3, 5, 7. I have 2, I have 3, I have 5, I have 7, I have 4 numbers. So in which format you want, where I need to place it. So I am saying that, okay boss, fine, you have 4 numbers, then put into what is that, to list. That's it only. So finally, this method, this collect method will return what is that, list of elements. So list of integer. Then prime numbers or something equal to, you can put it. That's it, friends. And coming this, after that, just I'm trying to display the system.out.println. So prime numbers. That's it, friends. If you see here, this list contains input values our 1 to 10, and this prime numbers contains processed numbers. That means it contains only prime numbers. Let me execute this program here. Of course, it's a simple one only. See here, this is, I mean, these are the input values. From this one, I am getting only prime numbers, 2 through 5, 2, 3, 5, 7. That's it, friends. Still, if you are having any, issues or any questions, let me know in the comment section. Or else, if you have any better solution for this, and let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I'll try to learn it, friends. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video.